What's up, y'all? So this is my first time pulling out the camera for 2026, and right now is January the 16th. So I'm a little bit late on wishing y'all, Happy New Year's. Yeah, I hope everyone, gets everything done that they want to get done for 2026. I had a cold twice, pretty much. I was getting over the first cold, but now it kind of came back. So now, I have a lingering cough and I'm a little bit stuffy, but I'll get through it. This always happens to me, like whenever the weather changes, or I don't know, it's just because right now it was like 10, I don't even know how, it was so hot the other day. Go from so cold to like minus 30 to like almost 20 degrees is crazy to me. That's how it is out here in Calgary, and I'm still getting used to it, but I'm just happy the weather been good. Sorry I look a mess. I'm actually gonna get ready to go to the gym. Today's my day off work. Today, like I said, today is Friday, so I have today and tomorrow off. And I feel good, but this morning I wasn't really feeling the best, so I want to get cute for myself to go to the gym. I'm going to an all-women's gym. They have an all-women's gym close to me, so I'm gonna go there for the first time and see how that goes. And I hope that they have like the machines that I want to use. Like, I really hope that they have the glute thrust machine, because that machine is my favorite. I see really good results with that machine, so I'm hoping that they have it. If not, they have other glute exercises that I can do. My only issue is I don't have anything to eat before I go to the gym. Like, I need to do groceries. I'm gonna do groceries tomorrow with my sisters, so I'm just gonna have to find something to eat quickly before going to the gym. And then after, I'm just gonna go to my sister's house, watch some movies, and just spend some time with her. So I'm excited about that. Spend some time with her and my nephews, and yeah, have a good time watching movies, relax, wind down. But yeah, the past couple weeks I've been so busy up and down doing stuff, having fun, just living my life. And yeah, this is actually the first time I actually got to like pull the camera out and just be in my room, do some cleaning, and just wind down. But I don't mind being out. Like, I like going out, I like having fun, going to new places, exploring new places. And yeah, I have no complaints. Like, I'm happy, I'm alive, I'm well, I'm healthy for the new year. So yeah, I can't complain. I do a little bit of makeup just so that I can feel a little bit better, because like I said, I woke up good, but then there's still, I don't know if it's this cold or whatever that's got me feeling a little bit, it got me feeling not my best. My monthly favorites for 2026 is the Huda Beauty. I got her concealer and also the NARS concealer as well. And I also got I got the Rhode Peptide Lip Tint. I got these two colors. They're, like I said, they're very similar. I don't know why I should have picked up a darker color, one pink and one darker color. But these are pretty good as well. I wish they were a little bit more tinted, but otherwise they get the job done. I like it. So yeah, these are my monthly favorites. These little things right here, really tiny and cute. Love it. Is Black Girl Sunscreen. I use this every single day. I live by this. It works. I use it as a moisturizer as well when I put my makeup on. I'm actually running out. I need to buy some more. Yeah, I'm running out. Like, my skin is cleared up so much, I don't even have to use a lot of anything anymore. Like, once my skin is completely cleared from these blemishes, they're not even that bad anymore. The worst one I have, it's not even that bad, but this one right here, it was a pimple and then it turned into a cut because I accidentally scratched it. But yeah, I'm almost at the point where I don't need to wear any more concealer or any makeup, just like lip gloss, mascara. And that's normally how I do it when, hold on. What I do whenever my face is like clearing up, I just, like, even now I wear the bare minimum. But another monthly favorite is this Rare Beauty blush. It's so good. It goes on my skin tone so nice. My YouTube videos aren't gonna get as much views as they used to get, only because I haven't been consistent. And I'm not really posting as much hair videos. I'm just posting my things that I do, like regular things, like day-to-day things that I do in my life. So if you're interested in seeing that, then you can stay subscribed to me. First, once in a while, I will show videos of me doing my hair and stuff, but it's just so much easier for me to just record, little bits and pieces of my life. And this, if you're interested in that, then great. If not, then yeah. But put a little powder on. Like my makeup, very, very simple. I look like myself. And yeah, but that's how it looked. I wish it was a little bit more tinted, but it still shows a little bit better on camera than it does in person. But yeah, this is the makeup look. I'm gonna put on my workout fit. And yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Just need you.
She's like, it sounded like a black party.
What, are you a blogger?
Yeah, getting back into it.
Yeah. No, I know. Like tonight she's busy. But she was planning to come.
Grandma. I know, I love very close.
I can tell by his music. It's sort of fun and close up, and I remember I was walking with Sandra, and Sandra was like, before the
Keep up, ladies, keep up.
Okay. Before the incident happened, we're walking. We're walking on the street.
That's Junior. That's our
The one and only.
Hi, Junior.
Poor Orion, she didn't get invited to the video.
I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, dancing in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, say I'm on. She put her hand around my waist. I told her no, she cried, say I'm on. Told her run away. Let me go. I saw them go cry. Not asking why. I said, say I'm on. Somebody tell me what she said. Don't mean I love you. It means I love you. Don't mean I love you. Listen, we can dance. You gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. Then she said, "Te amo." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her run away. Let me go. I saw it cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you?
You can have it, but don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in JA. We can do it on that beach there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Okay, what were we saying about him?
I might win.
So, I'm hoping I can do this.
Yeah, you're good. What?
Yeah, so today is Saturday. It's my day off. What is it? Saturday the 31st. So, yeah, so today is Saturday the 31st. I have on this, whenever you see me in this robe, that means I'm going to do my hair. This robe been through a lot. Like, it has a bunch of hair dye on it. It's a mess. So, like, whenever you see me in this robe, you already know it's about to go down because I'm about to do my hair and it's going to be an all-day event. Yeah, so I'm going to quickly first dye my hair. I talked about this dye before in the past. The reason why I'm holding it like this is because like it leaks a lot and it gets really messy and I don't want it to get on my hands. So yeah, it's just, you can find it on Amazon. It's the black hair dye shampoo. So it has natural ingredients. I've been using this for about 2 years now and it never failed me, not once. But yeah, it's a semi-permanent hair dye. It lasts for about a month. So I use it to touch up my roots because, you know, I had silver hair since I was in my early 20s. So yeah, so I use it to touch up my roots a little bit. And I don't really touch this part of my hair, only my roots. So I'm gonna put this on and leave it on for about like yeah, I'm supposed to leave it on for like 20 minutes and then I have to wash it out. The washing out process is really messy. That's the only thing I don't like about it. And I don't like it when it gets on my hands. I have the wrong gloves this time. Normally I have the blue gloves, which prevents my hands from getting dye on it. This is all I have, so I just have to make use of it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So right now it's 12:32, so I'm not gonna style my hair. I'm just gonna retwist it and leave my hair straight. So I'm starting now, so I probably won't be done till like later on tonight, like around 6-ish. Only because I'm gonna take a few breaks here and there. Like there's no way I'm gonna sit there and just do my hair without taking any breaks. That's never me. I don't do that. So let's get this done right now. And if you want to see the dye that I'm using is this one. This is the dye that I'm using. It looks a mess because it was leaking. And like I said, you can find it on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box if you guys want to purchase it. It's really good. It has natural ingredients in it. It has ginseng in it. It has ginseng in it. And a bunch of like natural oils and ingredients. That's why I like it so much. So yeah, let's just get started.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my message. I say we think different. I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me.
What's up, y'all? So I didn't really show you guys the whole retwisting process. I have multiple videos on my YouTube channel that y'all can watch of me retwisting my hair, but I have this much left and I did this much. Let me show you how long my hair is. Hold on. See, my hair is really long and I'm not gonna style it. I'm just gonna wear my hair straight. I'm using the Shea Moisture Coconut Flaxseed Defining Styling Gel. I've been using this for a while. It gets the job done. It works for me. Get some water on my hair because it's really dry. I feel like my hair retwists the best when I put a little bit of water on before putting on the gel. So I'm going to use a little bit of tap water on my hair and yeah, and retwist the rest, and my camera's gonna die. I'm gonna try to get as much footage that I can before it dies. So let's get straight into it.
Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird verse on. Back it up high, you look right. Your body die me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight like anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Now you want to run like a nothing. I think that's for me to have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because who anytime she said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah. I see. Why your horse I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. The guy a twist and turn, yeah. The guy a twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have burned no twist and turn, yeah. The guy a twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and...
So yeah, my hair is done. I just need to put in my head tie and do my baby hairs. It looks good. Really cute. All right, y'all. All right, so that's it for this video. I actually have to moisturize my hair, put some oil on it, but I'm gonna do that off video just because my camera's dying. But I do use my my hair oil that's on my website. If you want to check it out, the link will be in the description box below. So I'm gonna put that all over my hair. I'm gonna blow dry my hair a little bit more because I want the oil and the gel to settle. And I feel like my hair is a little bit wet. This part isn't that wet, but up here is a little bit wet. So I want to dry it so that the gel and the water and everything dries, so that when I wake up in the morning, it's gonna be laid. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.